told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Hello and welcome back to the Gym Jam Life channel. I have reached Budapest. I am outside the airport. Saurabh is just buying some SIM card back here. We've also already bought a 72-hour travel pass for the days we are over here, which will cover all the trains, buses and metros and basically all the local travel. And that is it. We are gonna exchange currency once we are in the city so that we get some better rate. Right now we've used your cards and let's go now. We are going to take a bus to our apartment. मग लगेच आली, एका मिनिटात आली.
Ez az M3-as metró Budapestről szalad felé. A határ előtt következik. Az ajtók a bal oldalon nyílnak.
Welcome on board. This is Metro Line M3 to Budapest Riverfront. Doors will open on the left.
This is the building of the apartment and this is our apartment. Over here there is a key safe where the key was kept inside and we had the codes. And this is the whole apartment. There is, I think, one bathroom over here. Oh, it's not a bathroom, this is the toilet. And here we have a small kitchenette, dining, and then this is the bedroom. And here we have a bathroom. And I think the view is of the same patio that we saw earlier. Yeah, the patio, the whole building from the outside. We are all ready and ready to explore. Day 1. We are not going to explore, we are just going to take the fields and all. We are going to start exploring from tomorrow. So let's just go and check the evening vibes. We are heading out now. First stop is currency exchange. We don't have any currency. So we are going to do that first and then we will go maybe to the old town or something. Let's see what that is. But first, we need money. बर्ड्स आहेत की ते जुगनू आहे त्याचे लाईट्स काय आहेत लाईटमध्ये असे दिसत आहेत का So we have taken a metro and we have reached the Danube riverfront. This is the Parliament right behind me and this is the Pest side, and on the opposite side of the river you can see the Buda side, which we will go tomorrow. Right now we are just soaking in the vibes and roaming around over here, and you will see a lot of people doing different things here. I don't know if you could see, but these two guys were skating, then people are cycling over here, then people are on their surfboards, and it's really chill.
One last time. Yeah, woo, yeah. Thank you.
Amazing baguette and aubergine salad. Can you imagine? This is McDonald's and it turns into like this crazy party after 9 over the weekends.
Oktogon metróállomás. Az ajtók a bal oldalon nyílnak. Átszállhatnak az M1-es metróra.
The next stop is Octagon. Change here for Metro Line and
We are now walking back to our apartment. It was an amazing first day in Budapest. We did so many things already, and now we are a bit tired because we couldn't sleep last night well because of the flight and everything. So today we'll end it a little early. Even though I'm saying early, it's already 11:30 over here, so not as early as I was expecting. This is how we have access to our apartment. We are back from an amazing first day. And how is it? What is your first?
Best city. Perfect. Perfect for a night out.
Yes. Cheers. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next vlog. Until then, keep traveling.